I will lift up my knight. It shows me all possible moves, including this capture of this pawn. I can then lift the pawn, wait for it to acknowledge that I lift that pawn, and then move my knight, and it will acknowledge that this piece has been moved off its sensor and track it as such.
As I mentioned earlier, Kim purposely made a mistake, and now I am moving into checkmate position and the game is over.
We just have to initiate it by button press, and that causes it to read the color. It says it's blue. Oh, it got it. And then it goes to a specific position as seen here, which hopefully it should stop at the blue position. And then drop it, and then it goes. Looks like a ground is coming off, but that's okay. It's making its way back. All right, we're gonna just unplug this guy now. He's okay.
Left, bottom left, top left, and then it's okay in the middle, but because it's rigid,
you end up where when you press in the middle, it kind of just presses the whole thing down, which doesn't really give you the right thing, but you can see it does zero out pretty well.
And if you move the different beads, it'll play different notes out of each speaker.
Next we'll move in a sec.
And now it's in minor. And you see major blues.
I think they skedaddle.
And back to C major.
The bedroom is also very quiet. So please. Oops. That's worse. Okay. We do have a backup.